Coral Springs, a city on the edge of one of the world's largest tropical wetlands. Nestled away from the spotlight of major Floridian attractions, Coral Springs stands as a microcosm of global environmental challenges. Here, we residents bear witness to the stark repercussions of urbanization and overpopulation. With Florida's population swelling, city planners and businesses seek to carve out new usable spaces from the Everglades itself. But as we forge ahead, the question remains, what price are we willing to pay for change? To grasp the extent of the city's transformation, we must first look back to the city's humble beginnings.
So Coral Springs started as a green bean farm. Coral Springs was born from that desire to create something new in Western Broward. They started by creating a map that showed where all the houses would be, and they started by designating where all our parks would be. And then he had a whole crew of people who also helped create that vision.
As the town grew, hundreds of individuals worked to meet growing demand. Among them was James Skinner, a Coral Springs resident for over 2 decades, who played a significant role in these urbanization efforts through his work as a city landscaper.
Well, I work for Coral Ridge Properties. I started December the 9th, 1969. So when I came in, they put me in charge over the nursery of the nursery farm. The concept for the city is the same as it now, family atmosphere, thriving businesses and great schools and parks.
The rising city population is nothing new, but what does it mean for the environment when the city approaches a certain number of people? City Commissioner Nancy Mateo-Bowen doubles as an environmental scientist and advocate.
Policies, regulations, and ordinances is a way that I ensure that we are protecting the environment. Also ensuring that we are supporting our residents who want to be energy efficient. As an environmentalist, I like to use data to show where we are as a community to help mitigate the impacts.
With over 68% of Floridian voters today agreeing that a small population is key to maintaining a sound economy and healthy environment, how do we balance our expansionist nature with its inevitable consequences?
We are at a time now where the city has celebrated 60 years and we're looking to the future. We're envisioning what that might mean and how much can we improve and change.
The struggle is no longer in understanding the problem, but rather in ethically and efficiently solving it. By spreading awareness, promoting sustainable practices, and collaborating with environmental groups, we are one step closer to making a difference for future generations.